Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vashaf at Vareva.com. Today I'm going to make the young girls, I call it the love French toast. To make this, it's very easy. All we do is just break 2 eggs in a bowl. Just beat them, little sugar in it, and also pinch of salt. You know, even the French toast, you add little salt, it will be very, very tasty. To this, we're going to add some milk. That makes it very nice, flavorful. Add little milk, beat it well. The mixture is ready. Just make sure that the sugar is melted. To make this, we're going to add some butter. Now, the only problem I see in a lot of Indian bread is they are thin slices. But for a French toast, I usually prefer thicker. So what I do is, take 2 slices instead of 1 and dip it in this. So now the problem is sometimes the bread can break into pieces. So what you can do is take a spoon spatula like this and now put the bread pieces like this so that they don't break when you pull them out. Like this. And now we're going to put the 2 slices together like this. And another way I add some more of this egg is I just pour milk and egg on top of the toast like this so that I get a very nice rich French toast. Suck as much as you want this love toast. This is good. Suck it, suck it, suck it, suck it as much as you can. I think this should be good enough for one. I'm going to do the same with the other toast. Move this toast on the side. Now I've converted the thin slices of bread into nice thicker ones that makes it super delicious. The same thing, suck, suck, suck it up. The entire mixture is done. You're going to cook this on a very low flame. Make sure the flame is as slow as possible and let it cook for 3-4 minutes. Now, let's carefully turn it on the other side. Just like this. Let it cook till you get this nice caramelized color. And by the time both of them get cooked because of the egg, these 2 slices get attached and inside will be very, very juicy. And we're going to make this love toast because we're going to use pomegranate and strawberry sauce. Now this is perfectly done. Wow, look at it. Look at how beautiful, wonderful, awesome it is. But we're going to add a lot of this pomegranate. Okay, what we're going to do, since we called it the love toast, let me see if I can make the heart here. And to this, we're going to add nice, awesome strawberry syrup. Look at it. Good God. Pour it all over. What do we do next? Dig in. Friends, wow. With this pomegranate, these are really, really sweet and especially they are in season in India. They are pretty cheap too. My awesome, juicy, juicy French toast. Just out of the world. Oh, wow. Really a lot of love in this love French toast. Just make it, enjoy it, and have a great life. The pomegranates, the strawberry syrup, the French toast which is nice, hot and juicy inside. Dear friends, enjoy life, enjoy great food.